a man bebre just say awode ni ade a mo de gra mu no o man to me no mo toy na dom etwi fa wo so 37 military hospital de ba ni say mama kuma ko nsia ahwere wo mo nkwa nipa be dumienu ase aduonu ba ko de wo ma prepare emu nsia are in a very critical condition. We hope and pray that God will show his mercy upon their lives. Eyasema no den papa. Ne nti o mapani jo mama. Ne no anu odan kokon ketenkete adi. But ansana no of 37 military hospital. Ekohwe nia ekoso ho sanse na ye de mofra no abia ba ho a just o mapra. Ka mo hwe no TV so ene de o mapani ko ya. Okoye no ne adokota fo ni kodi nkomo busa wo mo se na dai na enye se nkranko a ugohe Kumasi Sports Stadium a kwala na egu hono mo say ya grace the two TV no so sisi a edom Kumasi Sports Stadium ni so ba se white Kumasi Sports Stadium no you see when you deny the youth of this nation employment for a while, this is what you get. Where other regions now said the Koba and say will be on more Kumasi and so professor of a concrete. Obi on my Yebu Sunya and so professor of a concrete. And dumb now questions have been asked. Say Elwak Equino Eba Coupe. Nani pa bebre no mutumi be gate no to ma bebre mfamu ko. And I know my research one logo line. Do we have at the back of our mind Okujato's report on May 9th disaster? Crowd control. Or how near money to Ghana, was Sabiano, Sabreno, no. Yes, yeah, baby home. Or my John Mama, any open now, all share. Actually, defense minister, outside minister, I know come Rashebe Jeffie, Eddie Ghana, Yakon, my boss, Marco Tuja, Yato, Forcing, and a call. They are a husem. As Auntie Akwaba,
Macasano, Messi,
Utia Semi, Yentioma Penimra.
Region Bia, Yatra Mobibia, also Mushia. Na Accra, Akoye Kropono. Yes, the Padodoa, a P. Yes, Omoche said, Jumano, no more doors in ye. Na I hope prepare ne Adia, a shall say, Abra, ye be a gate, no say, Nipa and Romono. And my Nipa Libre at the Honde, a Pia, say, Omoku, Omenim, 8 new room. Na a Rahosam, say, ebi ehwe ase emye tietia omoso na menemo ka sei se na yenya ntiye nipa ensia ya mabunu ahwere omonkwa na dumye no bi so eda hospital a echese ayeden nso ye bompa se omho beto omo na nyame enya areho ama omo. Enti make us say soldier mpanyimfo amaya so ate say yamma ensia omu nyina yamma bawa makasa no mesre na obia pagya ne mu sima ba kope na yede akai yenuama a echese ene omaye nyame de Madam was saying, Yamin form of credit.
Yeah, as Auntie Akwaba.
In your mind.
A Jakwakwaba. And then ya can't the number. Oh, Yamasi. Share. I dear we see ye. As Auntie, wasn't it avoidable?
It was avoidable. Or my credit say, Ghana put in phone. Ye and near money every day, no every time, sir. Here, what the Accra, more 3 major centers, or more Accra Sports Stadium, or more Airwalk, or more evidence and cross stadium back here, war, Diano. Muncham and Samama Frane. Not so just for no way. It's so simple. Kumasi or Pajo, you were, even you were,
your friend say West
Coast.
Yes.
Because of Chan no ade no.
Yetimi
never hono.
Yes. Obetumi acho mu no inform.
Yes.
Yes, message.
Messages.
So the messages Elwak Stadium it will catch the pan say the message no Elwak obeko Stadium.
Yes.
Obeko Legon.
Simple.
National ade na ye me just say Legon betuma catch them say ye program BTM for mamo.
The country is sick.
What is wrong with us?
The country is sick.
How do you allow that kokua na dey way? Me masem dey say, oh, yenya disaster. May 9th, 2001. Ewa Accra Sports Stadium. 126 people died out of stampede. About almost 6 police people were indicted, and they were charged for manslaughter. Fast forward, recommendations about a new ground renovating Accra Sports Stadium to fit FIFA modern standard. Yeah, when message Accra na man Elwak message into about Elwak. Legon wo your intelligence catcher will say, because you had the application, you know the numbers in Accra. It's not like Abia you were not aware.
Nipa ko Elwak one. E do che nipa ko has match. They also che wo.
Yes.
And what is it telling you?
I don't know. The kwa be ya there to say. Say by as a hukum tontom. Say
21,000.
That's possible. Ko has nipa san ko.
Na we gonna ask you am share. Na nipa 21,000 no. Na mo jai one gate na mo bie say wo mu nya fam.
Omo say 2-3 days no be exercise no. Say but enu ane de na mo de kono. Kwamu se nipa say bo more than 5,000 ko bia bitimesi. 5,000. Omo ko 2 a.m. Again,
after 2 a.m. Heat in Kuabet Kuno.
A day.
Akota Elwak Sports Stadium no. Again, na see soldier for no coin. Send your Baba Yara Sports Stadium, mu be stadium ning na again.
Masem dia no.
Ning na to honom no.
Ebi be free
Eti obenya baby atina. Na akota sa allege nipa 21,000 e call Elwak Sports Stadium honom enra no. They had only 9 screening points. So
1,000.
Nipa 21,000. They had only 9 screening points. And they do baby so all need to ya enu anoma soja foi. Ubonso bia ma ba so na nipa ni nyina.
Edwane akoto baby.
Na
21,000 ko ade de kire se na nko betumi screen omu nyina ndra. Die mpa na na wo mutimu kire se. Ometumi screen omu nyina.
This day and age. Yegusuwa niema colonial days noa sa niema no. And na 1947 some noa akota si yenim hwe kra noa. Yetia say see esua niema bebre free other countries.
That's right.
Womo eye niema bi a eseye de no.
Yema mu ade nsua de.
Yeah,
because you were pass.
Mama say ya o ka say
to say bi a you say Nigeria for ye recruitment. Yete say bi a Sierra Leone, yete say South Africa, yete say e bi a UK nom ne sa niema no. Yenya instances are yenya military officers from America, Aba Ghana, and the Ghanaian soldiers collaborating a training be yahu instances are a soldier for free UK eba Ghana soldier for home and no more a training natural more modern techniques and any maniama bebrebe. It's adentin yen be and free UK ne America for no hono say ebia in this modern age ye be ebia more of online yema akuta screening na ye ni nyina say ye kwhwe height ye unam akan foka say unantabro na etare form say no
wow nanta form no tokro na mu a
tokro da say ya
untimi shempa boani
say obese boot ebedu baby obetima say boot no the whole day
so heat
boot no susu mu ose what I say
it's nanta form a obetima mu collapse
so ho na eniema nkete bia uyo bia uni injury bia eye so deep say bia akotwa bia aden say why surgery bia betima how akota these things ye betimi askata to say utisem ye oka Legon Sports Stadium ya akra de mo de mutiri ye ke ba bia Kumase ne sunya ba bia dan ke be complain akra mo Legon Sports Stadium mo Accra Sports Stadium
mo
Elwak Sports Stadium esi wonom so esa so even Independence Square akota etebia oya number from number 1 to 24 monko Independence Square number 20
traffic in Accra man hours that were lost because of this Kumasi Accra free share Kumasi Sports Stadium Kumasi Stadium Baba Accra we they opened the gate to all of them etiebi free so we free no ma be jinam sunyane coronation park obi prior they opened the gate the Jubilee Park no man can collect now 21,000 kobo dompem and collect siewu omo kwa
na me de me ya ye say maame friends military maame no o se nye nipa 12 na wu ye 6
o se nye nipa 12 6
o say let me be there one nipa nye nipa 12 ye 6 na say if you nipa 1
nipa 6 no
ye disgrace to Ghana so ni mo as ye mu nipa nkwa bi say
the 12 na wu ya go fi say it's escalated 6 you okay
6
this is where coming from the PRO outfit of Ghana forces.
Ma me na no 37 military hospital on ma Felix Kwacho Fusuka so on addressing media no. Let me do. Obi ba say just like that now.
Say the back one correct the okan.
You say son.
What dey enter no? Enter no.
I need to just get something straight. There's an erroneous information going out. The casualties we have that came through were 28 in number. Those who are dead are 6 and not 12. Those who are critical and in ICU are 5. We have 12 who are fairly critical. The rest are stable.
Oh, when a name crowd de casa. There are erroneous impression and erroneous information going on. It's in a boafu. Erroneous impression. And or person or just say those who are dead are 6. Now, Mrasebe Jeffie, my minister so dear Hano.
Ladi,
what is wrong with that woman? No, what you are sorry.
There is nothing that happens solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass. Us to all take.
You see, Olimade, immediately the woman goes into the defense of the military and his government and her government, because Ajino I is so political. Say, one share na opposition akoka say abina ye bibi. And until 1 minute, mamina ne yam ne nsuno. Oh, what a man is no. And nobody should say this is a chromosome. Why is a chromosome? It's your my chief mama or that gramophone and casino becasa. No, a bad time. Qualansia was it a yami per se. Even a yami pempoa. at the floor of parliament. Is that what Ladi? Never I mean when they honorable bye no.
Bye.
Congratulations bye bye. Oye kremoni chen chief imam me boy.
Graduate.
Oye kremoni chen kremofo e what dem ho nyina. How can you stand rise on in parliament? Na ndipa wu a wo say. Yeah, the president we are seeing in Accra be go and Kankwala be wu. This was avoidable. It was negligence and certain human error and ineptitude on our part. And
it was unnecessary.
Obejina say, nyame peso omu.
Na we ho se me wo mu ni se.
It driver be a mistake. Now the car bowra a brake failure and now was kidding off the road no ko kum kwala nyame na se kwala ni wo. What utterly nonsense is this?
Sada no be wunti. Ni kwa say.
Aya committee.
Mr. Boss, sir, recruit ya 21,000 mukupi mo work no. Out of the number of mobile fire 4,000.
The whole
protocols.
Almost 12,000.
Dabi.
In all recruitment, police, military, fire service, and all 10,000. Now, Omafa, Parade from 2,000. Now it's 12,000.
And in the military, for 12,000.
Military for 4,000. The whole
Ghana. Statement,
no, they said they are recruiting 12,000.
Military. The statement is there. Someone recruiting 12,000.
We were told that military the highest ever
in the history.
In the history of Ghana, 12,000. So let's cross check. Kuku, check it for us. As Ajaku Kasa.
The American they say out of this number here by recruit to mono protocol say wom.
There's some
maybe show at the Ekitu be the fear queen. Protocol say wom. Ministers need deputies. Edi omoni pabeko. CEOs the omoni pabeko. MPs both MPP NDC edi omoni pabeko. Nafe the keka ho senior officials edi omoni pako. Obewie na number ye be recruit to omo say wo na ye de omo efa ye kan say the
routine.
Yes, routine nankasa so afọ omo no. Na protocol numbers no do so change afọ we be
I think let's confirm here. The Ghana Armed Forces is planning to recruit 12,000 new personnel over the next 3 to 4 years, with the process starting in 2025.
Yes,
so 4 years.
Yes.
So it's 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000.
Yes.
So every year 4,000. They are looking at the next 4 years to wait here for 4,000.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's confirmed.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It's 4,000 no. And American MPs, NDC ni MPP. Womo cost 600. Ube wie ni nyina be wie na recruit the protocol. Mean 3,500. It is not as a 500 akara. And no na sa ni padudo ya stampede asi wo airwork. Na womo akwa kogu chama. You see, and it tells you say the system is not well structured. It's not fair to Ghana for. Mabunu and obiba akwakuwu out of system failure, out of negligence. Eti nka babiara mi nimpa se kurom ha oman ha discipline wo pa nka no ni military. Eti mo ntumi an structure mo niam yie say wo oba ufiri ha okwa ha we wa ha wo ene obeba adechie we eba adechie we ba sabeya ye be na sequential. Na discipline no so to me because momo side na yesu asa ni
you don't
and you allow all of these things to happen.
You don't crowd and I mebru no ho yaw omo hoten asante omo hoten
yes
and you starve omo of employment for far so long. It's the opportunity be bass here. Everybody is struggling, trying.
Survivor.
You can't blame them.
You can't blame them. Police. I'm for migration animal. Back from seeing heavy. Everywhere we are say I can hold on your back.
Now what form about 350 Ghana
cedis.
Forms 350 Ghana cedis.
Why are you? Is it a way to cut people? Say people people can't afford in TBI another strategy to cut them off and for be military who continue 350 Ghana for
the
four.
defense ministry should come out in its
For four.
Say okuje to moti me about a visa na ba form kakra na we die
form 350 no ade again criteria no to 350 administrative work in
some Ghana
paper
for sheet any administrative work am be and 350 no e come medicals and the be probably maybe the medicals and everything are involved in the 350
and we cry
and where ye pedi pack show no abejoine military e free
na we cry na nka mo 350
cry e twa sika kopa ye defense
me say
omusika ye musa ho asem mo de koto tuo mo de koto bomb mo de koto helicopter ye mu wo su na ko fira toyi akota ti mu di musika ye dai Ghana forces do musika ye dai any defense ministry
mo say bi kura nye se bia mo ba ye ba munsu anom sa ne ma ho it should be banka am mo mo say
eno na ye kawasem abrante bi ka asem bi wa ho na e ya rehusem also mind to say we Ghana nia also faso pa faso be na unya free Ghana ni say from just say one faso an say me Ghana nia
Yeah, that's all.
because maame be ya ne basa makola na ko school wa hwe no ama na wie wo ko training college a o maame ne be ya akola no sa university a wo be na akola ni wie a e wo sa maame ne ko pebosia esa akosia e ma ye fa akola no na akola no kura so nya adwuma koso a eniema bebre ne wo se adai
na ketua kura be
ba no this is control kata general was akosia teacher ni IPP one coordinators just so TS camera na sanwa wakodi na katua echi just how you Ghana ni dia
yanya wo mo obebre sa kopem so be fira asasi yanya wo
mo bokeke se nyame amoano ankodi sa nkrofo we enum echi MPP di NDC echi na ya mpa ba bia
so di ni ye nye ize mo di eje bia na nye
se se a omo ya ma school ho eso mfaso
akota school ni mfaso biem
because
mfaso ni school su biem
Ghana na ma school mfaso every mo because some are training college
certificate bra for
maybe I qualify 4 years ni nurse certificate teacher certificate
Obia university
6 years only civil service public service civil servants omu be local government in tuma one tier 10,000 I would ja kwa civil service
na some military degree for nurse
na me see we no and na me ne me yiri din komo and kind sa dey we omo ye no the cheapest is 200 million
20,000
yes so who tier 20,000 and ko wa ku benya ba bi atra e wo military mu
so na mafa
ya baby ase akotawe na video we me hweye me rapo me ho sam say
bao
ofro kramfo
person
wa stadium
no person
look at this ye piano mana na we ohuri no ko
mu nsem ye
oje adwuma ni wi anya o man no ba be serve o sika obenya via transportation
the rent aje we be the was military for no catch say get down because all corner ko muri na the top for ma ati kana party mabru so edu maybe na mabru no esu so mu ni that's why how
agota we are ye hu nyina enye se bia owo sise bia odosuru nku bi se military na no
yawe kom
ne maame ne papa bre no ono so he situation e wo fie ho no a so so pe bi
we have starved our youth of employment for many years
agota open institution ba ko a akrachefo ene animdifo ho pa ye the defense ministry
yes
akota open institution a akrachefo ne and the four power hono a
who is so that obi hono ma the doctorate
PhD
and military nya ye
why ni biem o
the phone go so what is this
enti anwene antena se going forward and akota de ba ko a eno asoso mani gi ye pa ye mo president Mahama Baso how quicker or react to na okoma order catch no mo say Some money na ma post to their to social media say echina mo beto aso no. Halt it.
They were going to continue.
Come back to us on
Look at this.
Halt it.
Chief of Defense Staff Norway.
Obia who say echina ye beto o to ade so.
CDS Norway.
Papa no e Japan. On na ejina honom. On na ejina.
Ah, it's not just a woman team say nyoma penny na stop here and catch no go to aso.
They should halt it for
Jesus
now.
Christ.
Omonye military omo enquiry ni no omo hwehwe mu na omo ntutu ye bayika
ade mpanimfo ebu no so obeyi wo mu nyina mo makotena fia ebi ma bi ade ba no
ede ntutu ye na wa
panimfo egu military fo ya retire panimfo ni nyina
a kira so omo nsa ba ade ntutu ye foforo be no
no
ade ntutu ye foforo be e na wa ya o se enra na ni pewu ade
echi you are going to continue the exercise
Mom bi bia patapa o ma de say ntomo
ya se ye nkamase mu nti o ya
nipa na ewu no kra na eni say e ka kire omo say because of this grant you know we have suspended it enya nipa na ya ma omo no omo wu a ma me we dem be se me hu no kra
military intelligence
how can you stand in the full glare of Ghana say one more we no they are 6
not 12
and now him go bet you ka so misremo there is certain information going on which I think say yenka in a very nice way one can is how let me correct this then nipa na ewu no they are 6 and not 12 ba ku kra de we e kwa mami ojo wo na obawu yanka woni beje
value
how can you tell us just say no person obe kasa kra wo che ni dimina ni posture
minister Felix Kwachofu suna esre media na say wait na on the war 37 military hospital I say obe addressable no amama hu situation no and I just say
now let's get that headlines we'll come to this nyame ya adoma bibia nsikwan Dr. Kesela to force him become Rashebe Jeffie na odi Ghana yakohuma bo yesika niema aban na hye se odi sika be ye 2026 odi go to Ghana for nyina nim 2 p.m. pepe na wasihye niema na no mote so ko takra di jom ko di nkomo ne ate o ma hye bibia wie wei ye betima ka se eye a major budget for the government on say oba first 3 months na aban dada na ye a year to home or the need buy but we accountability of so far omo buy the omatima ye ni de da omani ma omo be ye the social contract omani Ghana for sign ye eniema omatima ye sika omatua contractor for akwan ombe ye eniema sika omde be ye bobo man ho bra nyina ne yewura Dr. Kesela to force in come Rashebe Jeffie e de akoto Ghana for anim ye nyina yesre niti wudina no tumbi o say na ni age o mampani call to suspend the process and call for a thorough investigation. Former Defense Minister Dominic Nitiu
1 p.m.
Ayamba Ayin Radi. May Allah have mercy on her. May Allah. E go kite so baso. E wo Kumasi na ye nigisem. O man peni jo mama. Ene minua Minister for Agric. Ene the deputy John Dumelo. Ene regional minister mu nyina ko hia mo Jubilee Park. Yenti o man peni nsem o kafa ho.
Is the core of our national food security. It is with great pride and a deep sense of national duty that I stand before you in this historic city of Kumasi, the birthplace of enterprise and innovation, to launch a program that addresses the core of our national food security and inclusive growth agenda, the Nkokon Kitinkiti Household and Backyard Poultry Production Initiative. This initiative is more than just a government intervention. It is a national movement, a courageous step towards restoring food self-sufficiency, strengthening household resilience, and fostering sustainable livelihoods for tens of thousands of Ghanaians, especially women, youth, and the vulnerable families across our country.
Okay. Obampani esade to just say, waka ni pay actually Ghana school feeding program. say a free now krumi omonfa enkosia enka students no a meals ho as part of effort to stabilize the poultry sector. It's a free now krumi no akwala bia woko school feeding program no yamani ni kosia yentie no
na say yenkwohwe a enkosia so ebu na say yenkwohwe a enkosia so ebu ama omo tete nkoko eton enkosia no eno so abebu ama omunye obi anton ento enkosia ni bio enti eno se wontimi nton enkosia emfa nto ho enti eno maka kire omo ye school feeding se omo fa enkosia nka enkoda na eduane ho.
Also the two just emrason said Ghana. You reclaim the pride of producing, processing, and consuming what we ourselves grow.
Yes, to rural income, which was once a lively contributor to rural incomes and national nutrition, has faced structural bottlenecks such as high feed costs, limited access to improved breeds, inadequate processing capacity, and over-reliance on imports. In 2023 alone, Ghana spent over $350 million importing poultry products, a drain on our foreign exchange and a missed opportunity for our farmers and entrepreneurs. We must and we will reverse this trend. The time has come for Ghana to reclaim the pride of producing, processing, and consuming what we ourselves grow.
Okay. Now, what they are to just say 500 small and medium scale poultry farmers across the all regions. And Oma share Omo Emma holding so produce 3 million birds, bridging the gap between the large scale farmers and the community based producers. Now, IGP and so about Bontia Bechere Intia Omato Womumranti and a gum Anano Anajo and Ra. Na nyumre no na hwidiem fo ne ayi Kenya asefo ene asante mante mu akra no ne ade no ya jai nipa na gum ade ya wo se emre asoso omo stop the attack, civilian attacks on security personnel. Na obi bia o yes ade ni bia no omo chiche wo mo na omo be prosecute wo mo. It is a special security operation e koso no enye so omo attachment for nemom on to be say police atade so obebo man ho ban na wo say waye dem be bia wani nyi wo no akoto ahye omo so police station no ne ade no na mo ko buru asoja for no e maso bio IGP.
People were demanding that the suspect should be released. Frequent attack on police and military, especially our police stations, you know, and recently to the 9 months operation in around Quidiem where the military officers were attacked, and they have to be rescued by police officers, and the situation was so tense, and it appears this is what is the trend now, that any less people have mobilized to attack the police. Recently you saw what happened in Ehi in the Volta region. When the suspect was arrested, the people were demanding that the suspect should be released. They ended up releasing the suspect, breaking the police station, and releasing the suspect. And
okay, no, Tino, Yamre Naso, ye Pejaimu, Abonon Swampa, Hometer Dunukra. Na, Omodi Agudi, who Semaba, Yakoba, the Akabia, the Beckham, Money